Every time we do a project, it's the same process over and over again, and it's really quite simple. The first thing we have to do is make a decision about whether or not we're going to do it. That may sound trivial, but that's where the debate is. We get so many priorities, what do we want to get done? But when Angela and I agree, that means it's a green light and we go forward. We then always do some planning. And it sounds ridiculous, but every single project we're going to take you through, there is planning. You can start running around, but then you're just trying to find things all over the place. Get your brain engaged, that's the key thing here. And so for that plan, the plan for me is always tools and materials. Because the decision's been made, we've got an idea of what we're trying to achieve, but it's tools and material. Then it's doing, and when it comes to doing, you need some skills. The very first job I did with my dad in the garden, we made a greenhouse. But Dad could hardly lift his arm at the end of the day because all it was lots of hammers and lots of nails. And that was our whole day building it. Nowadays, I think the drill driver has been a game changer, but the skills we need is going to be there. And I always put this little bit at the end, frou-frou. I have no idea how to spell it, but the frou-frou is the extra 10% that Angela puts in to take us above and beyond. But every project we're going to do, it's make the decision, sort out the plan, do it, and then get more from it. This one's a good one because decisions made, time to go and sort out tools and material.